I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch. I'm a.
First of the month means you gotta get gas, you gotta clean the windows on your car, you gotta get everything done. So just wait for it. We're gonna go through the whole day and get stuff done. Right now I'm headed to the dentist for the kids. I don't like how bright the sun has me looking. Yeah, I'm about to head to the dentist for the kids, and somebody has a cavity. She does not know what she's expecting yet.
Now I see where the gas holder is.
Oh, you see how I got it propped up there?
Yeah.
So yeah. Right now we're
go.
finna go because I'm already running late.
Good.
Are you enjoying your first dentist appointment?
Yeah.
Stay in the seat. You gotta stay.
Sit up there with sister.
You gotta get your teeth checked. You getting your teeth checked? Yeah.
I want to go to a different state if we ride the train.
Sonic? Why are we going to Sonic? Who's got Sonic money?
Hey, let's go to Florida. You said you want to go to the beach.
I'm trying to figure out who's got Sonic money.
I don't have Sonic money. Sister got money home.
All right, you ready to go bye-bye?
So she got a cavity, which I already said that. But because I have autistic kids, we gotta go to the special dentist so they can do it at the special dentist. Say hi. Hi. Don't move. Hand on the tray. Teach your kids to put their hand on the thing. No! Hand on the tray. See how he just proved me wrong? Okay, so I also did a Walmart order today, and I got a desk organizer because the one that I have right now, I'm not a huge fan of it. So I got this. Let me see if I can get it. But I got this, and it's got the little pin slots, and I cannot get it open. I didn't do my makeup today or anything because of the kids going to the dentist, and one because the storms, because I didn't know what to expect. But it's got this little drawer in it, and then this little spot that it can just sit or whatever. So I'm going to take that and replace this shelf with it. And I want to do something with these pins and stuff because I don't like how they just sit up there and they're kind of unorganized. So I'm going to do that. I kind of need to finish planning. I use a digital planner, so that is on my iPad. I want to finish setting up my computer I got for work. I don't know. The storm didn't hit like I thought it was going to hit. So now I feel stupid for going out there and putting them boxes on my window. You know, better safe than sorry, right? Because if you came from TikTok, you know my car story, my car journey is not okay. I went through 3 cars last year. If you want the story time today, I'm glad to give you that because that is a doozy. What? Fries.
No.
You hear them? Right. We ain't going nowhere else. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna organize this and try to see what it looks like and show you guys. Do we leave that clip in or do we cut that out? Cause what? The smoke sesh was hitting a little hard. Okay, so I finally got this shelf cleaned off. I'm gonna probably use this in the bathroom, maybe for my skincare stuff, because like I have a lot of stuff going on in there. I gotta get all that reorganized, and this is how the cute looks. Because is it not the cutest? And then, so yeah, I think that turned out really cute. And then I'm gonna get a sticky note thing to stick either there or there. And then my battery charger for my camera. Everything fits right there. So yeah, changed the setup a little bit. I got that budget binder I want to start using, but I'm broke. So there's no money to put in the budget binder, so I can't use it. And then I also have my little Amazon Alexa thingy. So yeah, my kids have the TV absolutely sky high. I don't even know what she's watching, but yeah, so and then I need to redo my little makeup setup too. But yeah, I got this little concoction going on over here. So yeah. Okay, so I got the kids eating their dinner finally. The house flooded, which was very freaking unexpected. And with that, so that was kind of fun. My hair is still pressed up from the rain. I went and put cardboard boxes on my car for no reason because there's no hail. Now I feel stupid. So, I'm probably going to finish all them other little chores that I said I had to do. And then the kids gotta go to the doctor again tomorrow, so that's gonna be but since they've already had their dinner, I am gonna focus on me now. I have no idea what that was. I'm gonna focus on me now, and I need to eat and all that stuff, so yeah, we're gonna go handle that part. And then I still have these brand videos that I need to get made for like these products that I got and all that stuff. So I have not accomplished all my chores today, and I'm really tired. So I don't know if everything's gonna get done, but then there's always tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see what we get. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot to finish the vlog. I can't talk because I got busy trying to do some other stuff. I'm trying to set up my new PC and all that stuff. And she's getting her hair done because tomorrow's picture day. So if I don't add nothing else to the vlog, this is the end of the vlog, and I'll be back. But yeah, that's you. But for the most part, today was productive. Y'all introduce yourselves to me in the comments and all that stuff since we new here. So yeah, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. So I can't lie, I didn't think I was gonna like vlog today. I thought I was just gonna thought I was gonna let yesterday's vlog be it, but I didn't really record a whole lot. So I don't know if this is gonna be like a week in my life or how we're gonna do it, but we're making a video. I can tell you that much. I also think I'm gonna just go, like, when it comes to like vlogging and being out with the camera and all that stuff, I'm going to go without the mic because the audio did not sound like that bad. Wasn't the best, but it's also, I'm just now beginning. So we'll just go with what we got for now. Because I want to like carry the least amount of equipment as possible because I have 2 kids to carry around. Bag is already always full, so no. I can't see. I also do have like a really busy week. So that's another reason why I was like, do I just do a week in my life and be done with it? Or what? So we're going to see how this video plays off. I don't know yet. But it's literally, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I am not a morning person at all, but after we put my baby on the bus and stuff like that, I just went ahead and stayed up because my mom has a doctor's appointment today at like 11 o'clock, and I gotta lay my, I don't feel like laying my hair today. I'm just gonna wear like my headscarf. But right now, I'm trying to wake myself up. So I'm gonna do a cold sheet mask out my refrigerator. Like this one right here. But yeah, oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cold. If this doesn't wake me up, nothing's gonna wake me up. Ooh, it smells like oranges and stuff. And it's actually kind of small. Like, okay, so like I'm literally the size of a child. And I like when things be small and it fits me. Because like, I'm not the size of your average adult. I'm like a few inches away from being legally considered. I'm legally gonna be considered a small person, or, you know, I don't want to be disrespectful, but yeah, I forgot what the right term is. Oh, that is cold. That is so cold. Ooh. Ooh. It's so cold, but I need it. Oh, I need it to wipe my face up. Oh, I like these. It's legitimately like a perfect fit. And then I'm just gonna take my headband and slip it like onto it to kind of like hold it on my face. I need my scissors. I don't have none in here. Yes, I do. Alright, well, oh, scissors. Found some. So, that part. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so it's super cold today, but I'm kind of thinking about wearing a little bit of makeup. That's the only time I really like wearing makeup, so I'm not going to sweat it all up. So, now that part's done, I'll come back whenever I go to lay my edges and stuff. Yeah. I just went in the bathroom and laid my edges. We just be living a life of lies up under things like this because I don't feel like laying the rest of my hair. But these edges is edging. These edges is edging. I should have put my wrap on, but I don't have a whole lot to do today, so I really just don't care. But yeah, some edges, they buzzing. They buzzing. I kind of want to do a little bit of makeup too. I don't know. But yeah, these edges is laid, and once I throw on the little head wrap, it's gonna look cute. That's why I said I might throw me some earrings on and look presentable today. Y'all might see the cute me today. My lips is black. Mm-mm. I don't know if I like this whole focus that it be doing, but we at the doctor now. She likes to get shots of her back and whole body. Let's just go with whole body because it ain't just the neck. But yeah, she be getting steroid shots for her back fucked up. But anyway, so yeah, I need to know, does the autofocus bother y'all or are y'all cool with it? Because if it bothers y'all, then I need to cut that off and use my other way of focusing. If it doesn't bother y'all, then we got what we got. I got my I never did do my makeup, but I did finally lay my edges. I got my little Temu earrings on because I'm an affiliate with them. Okay, these were like 49 cents, I think. Something like that. You don't like it? Are you eating the paper?
It's stuck to its teeth. It's lassy-tassy. It's stuck.
Okay, then I need help. Can you pull it out? There you go. He didn't get the candy stuck. Ew. Ew. Oh. Don't you love parenting? Oh my god. Okay, hold on. I gotta go. Get it. Move. That's not going in me. That's not going in me. Stop biting me.
Oh.
But I got it, didn't I? See? But why'd you bite me? You know, he gonna whisper to me talking about, I don't know. He bit me. I was just trying to help. He did me dirty. Let me see. I need my light. What? That looks so much better. Now let's see. It looks a lot better. I need to do my makeup. I could do my makeup in the doctor. Just saying. I really could.
Scoot back. Get
Yeah.
on the table.
Y'all let me know if the focus bothers.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm doing good. Doing good. You want to talk about another injection? Yes, yeah.
Well, oh, okay. Let's see. When I say today is so all over the place, I'm still hungry. I still ain't even ate. But Nova made it to the doctor, so we didn't miss no appointments today. We did good. We ain't missing nothing. That's all that matters. Because usually I'm gonna miss an appointment, but not today. So we did good on that. But I still have not gotten my refund, so I can't do all my other stuff. I love the way it looks at her doctors. It's pretty. Oh yeah, Mama's gonna get her steroid shots and everything, so that's a plus for her because it helps her.
I think I saw your car down there.
No, you don't, girl. I'm not parked over there. I gotta figure out what we're doing for dinner tonight because I genuinely have no idea. And I really need to get some work done, and I really need to start editing this video because I haven't even started editing this. And I was not trying to like pile it all up on myself at one time, but I do it every time. And you're going to fall. I usually pile everything up on myself all the time, and I did it again, so we'll see. I'll get it done eventually, but yeah. What's done is done.